Hi everyone and welcome back to our highlights from the Making Pharmaceuticals and Distributing Pharmaceuticals Conference 2025. Join us for a conversation with GuardTech Cleanrooms, who have a forward-thinking approach to the delivery of a GMP-compliant cleanroom. We are joined today by Mark Wheeler, Commercial Director for GuardTech, to hear all about what value making pharmaceuticals and distributing pharmaceuticals adds to an exhibitor and what makes GuardTech unique.
Hi, it's Kyle from Help Me GMP, and today we're with Mark from GuardTech. So Mark, what attracts you to this amazing event, Making Pharmaceuticals and Distributing Pharmaceuticals?
We're quite lucky that the pharmaceutical industry is pretty buoyant for us at the moment, and across kind of industry and NHS. So this event gives us quite a nice balance of delegate. We've found that we've got quite a high quality lead from this rather than necessarily quantity, which is quite nice. We're having really good, meaningful, long conversations with people that are actively looking at projects that they're looking to kind of turn into something within the next 12 to 18 months.
Fantastic. Do you want to talk about GuardTech and what you guys offer and what makes you guys unique?
Yeah, sure. So we've been operating for over 25 years now. Our business is built around essentially solution providing for controlled and critical environments. So we work with across the industry, so not just pharmaceutical, all life sciences, and we operate turnkey construction projects for kind of large scale builds, but we also do off-site modular manufacturing, and that is again a growing part of the business where we're seeing quite a lot of clients switch from that traditional on-site build and the lead times that kind of come with that, and the risk and the management of those construction sites, to actually being very interested in off-site manufactured modules that take away all that risk, put it onto our facility, and then we deliver them essentially plug and play. So that's the business in a nutshell.
Amazing. And I mean, your branding looks great, the clean rooms look great. You must be proud of it.
Yeah, no, massively proud. And we're a family business, very, very culturally kind of, our whole ethos in business is having a good culture, trying to develop something that we can be proud of. Excellence is kind of what the business has always been built on. The brand, we try and use that to reflect what we do. We like colour, we like energy, dynamic kind of thoughts. So we looked at lots and lots of industry publications where everything is very dull and sterile. And don't get me wrong, obviously sterile is part of our industry, but we like to just show that the energy in the colours that we bring. So we're kind of 6 sides of a hexagon, 6 businesses operating within one group.
Okay.
And each of them with their own colour, and we try and put some neon in it as well.
We love a bit of neon and Help Me GMP as well. So have you got any images of clean rooms that you might want to share, or cubes from the outside?
Yes, I mean this one here, this is just one of the clean cubes that we've got. This is just a very small module, single module. This is the GuardTech Cleanrooms. So this is where the business was founded. So going back to 2000, the year 2000, our first cleanroom was built under the guise of kind of GuardTech Cleanrooms, and that spins out of a family business that goes all the way back to 1961.
Oh wow!
And my father actually still is active in the business.
Oh really?
A little less active nowadays. He's enjoying time a little bit more, but so he's still involved, and we've still got a number of families that operate in the business. So it's not just my family. Jar, marketing manager, is my best friend from school.
Oh really?
Connor, projects director now, is best mate from university. And then we've got a number of families within the business. So kind of bringing through children of employees and things like that. So it's you've got to enjoy where you're going to work, and quite lucky that we do, and hopefully our staff do as well.
Yeah, man. Thank you very much for your time and talking to us.
Pleasure. Just come.
Lovely meeting, and thank you.
Baby, calm down. Girl, this your body, put in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Girl, you sweet like phantom. If I tell you say I love you, no day for me younger, no tell me no, oh.